Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the previous topics of surface area of the cylinder or cylindrical parts. Now the question number 8 of exercise 13.2. Exercise 13.2, question number 8. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. Total radiating surface in the system. Length is 28 centimeter. Length is 28 centimeter, 28 meter, and diameter is 5 centimeter. Length means height 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. So the radius 5/2 centimeter equal to 5/200 meter. Find the radiating surface area. Radiating surface area as the chord surface area of heating water system. Chord surface area of heating water system equal to 2 pi RH. Now 2 pi 22/7 5/200 into 28. 7 4s are 28. 4.4 meter square. 4.4 meter square is the water radiating area of the water radiating system. Now the height and the diameter are given. Now we change the diameter into the radius. Then find the curved surface area of a hot water system equal to 2 pi RH. Now we put the value of hot water system 2 pi RH. R is equal to 5/200 and H is equal to 28 and we get the result 4.4 meter square is the area of water radiating system. Clear? Now the next question. Question number 9. Find lateral or curved surface area of closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter in height. 4.2 meter in diameter 4.2 meter and the radius 4.2 by 2 equal to 2.1 meter and the height is 4.5 meter. Height 4.5 meter. So the lateral or curved surface area of a storage tank equal to CSA of storage tank equal to 2 pi RH equal to 2 pi RH. Now 2 into 22 by 7 2.1 meter and 4.5 0.3 44 1.35. Now multiply 135 44 59.40 meter square is the curved surface area of a storage tank. Now the second part of this how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. Now first we find the steel used. It means total surface area 2 pi r plus h, that's equal to 2 pi r h 2.1 plus 4.5. $30.266 87.12, that is 87.12 meter square. 87.12 meter square is the total surface area of a storage tank. Let x meter square actually still used, then 1 minus 1 upon 12 into x is equal to 87.12 meter square. Therefore, Therefore, 11 upon 12 into x, 87.12, and x is equal to 87.12 into 12 upon 11. So x is equal to 11 7 77, 0.11 9 99, 11 2 22. Meter square is the total area of the steel used. Actually, steel are used to 95.04 meter square. The next question. Question number 10. You see the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter 20 and height 30. Diameter 20 centimeter and height 30 centimeter. Margin on both sides 2.5. So the actual height (30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 equal to 35 centimeter, and a margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom of the frame. Now find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. So first we find the curved surface area of covering the lampshade. So CSA of covering the lampshade equal to 2 pi Rx and 22/7 R 10, now diameter 20 and radius 10 centimeter. Radius 10 centimeter, 10 into height 35. 7 5 35. 10, 20 into 10 is equal to 2000 centimeter square is required area of cloth to covering the lampshade. Clear? Okay, thank you.